Weather donkey. Yeah, as the sundown, I'm losing light. It's kind of been dark all afternoon. We got rain earlier, then it backed off. And then didn't get a flash. It's kind of dark. Ain't much a breeze, man. It's still. It's just a steady rain. It's still. So I got a little bit of daylight left. Be nice to catch a flash. It's Missouri. Give it a second. And the wind ain't blowing nothing. It's pretty calm. Inside the house, it's really humid. Don't feel too bad out here. Man, I'm killing my leg. I'm gonna have to go in here in a minute. Hear the rumbles. We can hear rumbles, and every now and then see a flash. Street level donkey cam. Yeah, you don't know how lucky you are if you can get something with a little bit of light. I got a camera, but it isn't worth my time anymore. Some neat looking clouds up that way. Check that out. See them clouds there? That stuff's coming over from Kansas towards us. It's been around us. It looked like El Dorado Springs picked up a decent storm with some hail. So there's actually, I can see some clouds there. So there we go. Now, I've been around Butler, Uric, Montrose. That's that El Dorado Springs. So light rain and stuff, and there's the clouds kind of moving in. You know, as soon as I cut this off, the flash will happen. Weather donkey out.